Managing your personal finances can be a daunting task, but with the right tools and strategies, it can become a seamless process that sets you up for financial success. Whether you're just starting on your financial journey or looking to improve your money management skills, these 10 personal finance tips will help you master your finances and achieve your financial goals. Set financial goals. The first step to managing your personal finances is setting financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve financially, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or paying off debt. Having specific goals in mind can help you prioritize your spending and make informed financial decisions. Create a budget. A budget is a critical tool for personal finance management. It allows you to track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and save more money. Start by creating a spreadsheet or using a budgeting app to list your monthly income and expenses. Control your spending. Controlling your spending is crucial to personal finance management. Avoid unnecessary expenses and be mindful of your spending habits. Consider adopting a needs versus wants mentality to differentiate essential expenses from discretionary ones. Use credit cards wisely. Credit cards can be a valuable tool for managing your finances, but they can also lead to debt if used carelessly. Use your credit card responsibly and pay your bills on time to avoid high interest fees. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund can help you prepare for unexpected expenses like a medical bill or a car repair. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an emergency fund to avoid dipping into your savings or accruing debt. Invest in your future. Investing your money can help you grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. Consider investing in a retirement account or exploring other investment opportunities that align with your financial objectives. Pay off debt. High-interest debt can be a significant burden on your personal finances. Prioritize paying off debts with high interest rates, like credit card debt, to avoid accruing more debt over time. Track your net worth. Tracking your net worth can help you evaluate your financial progress and identify areas where you need to improve. Calculate your net worth by subtracting your liabilities from your assets. Save for big purchases. Planning for significant expenses like buying a home or a car is essential to managing your personal finances. Set aside money each month in a separate savings account to avoid relying on credit or loans. Seek professional advice. If you're struggling to manage your personal finances, consider seeking professional advice from a financial advisor or a certified public accountant. They can provide personalized guidance and help you make informed financial decisions. In conclusion, mastering personal finance management takes time and effort, but it's an essential step towards achieving financial stability and success. By setting financial goals, creating a budget, controlling your spending, using credit cards wisely, building an emergency fund, investing in your future, paying off debt, tracking your net worth, saving for big purchases, and seeking professional advice, you can develop better money management skills and achieve your financial goals.